Bangalore, Motor House, a venture of KW Veloz Motors PVT Ltd, KVMPL, India's premier bike emporium, launched its first dealership in Bangalore today with Infini Energy Motors as their official dealer partner. This milestone marks Motorhouse's commitment to expanding its footprint in India, offering an exciting range of iconic motorcycles and eco-friendly scooters tailored to meet the diverse needs of the city's riders. The new dealership features a premium selection of vehicles, including recently launched Austrian brand Brixton motorcycles, Crossfire 500X, Crossfire 500XC, Cromwell 1200, Cromwell 1200X along with Italian brand VLF Tennis electric scooter. These globally renowned bikes, recently launched by Motorhouse, bring exceptional craftsmanship to Indian riders. Brixton motorcycles are designed for enthusiasts and luxury buyers, offering versatility for urban commuting and off-road adventures.
So our core focus right now is not market share, but our core focus right now is to establish these brands in the market by giving best of the services. If you look at in terms of volume, we are looking at close to 10,000 vehicles in the first year of operation for the electric scooter brand VLF.
So where exactly you have a plant for manufacturing?
So right now the plant is set up in Maharashtra, Kolhapur. Yeah.
Sir, one more thing. Now tell about all the models and the pricing.
Yeah, so we have launched two brands. One is Brixton Motorcycles, which is an Austrian-based motorcycle brand. In that we have launched 500cc two models. Starting price is 4,74,000 rupees for the 500cc, and we have launched two models in 1200cc. The starting price for 1200cc is 7,85,000. We have also launched one electric brand, Italian brand VLF, also known as Velocifero. For that we have launched one scooter which is called the Tennis, for which the price is 1,29,999 ex-showroom.
So is it your maiden showroom in Bangalore?
So this is our first showroom in India. So we launched
in India?
Yeah. So Bangalore is the first showroom Motorhouse in India. We just launched these brands in the Indian market 15 days back. So now we are opening our first showroom, that is in Bangalore.
So you want to grow pan-India?
Yes. So we will be having close to 15 showrooms by the end of this year, and then we'll be growing gradually over the next few months.
All the best.
Thank you so much.
Sir, nimdu name designation.
So my name is Tushar Sheke. I am the managing director of Motorhouse, Brixton and Velocifero in India. We are happy to be associated with our dealer partners in Bangalore, Mr. Chirag Bafna, Infini Motors,
Infini Energy Motors,
and we are very happy to be associated with them. They have an extensive experience in the automotive industry, and we are quite sure that they will carry the Brixton VLF brand very well in the Bangalore market.
So I'm the dealer principal for Infini Energy Motors or Motorhouse Bangalore for Bangalore, and we have deep-rooted experience in automobile industry for the last 30 years. We also deal with other superbike brands, so we know the kind of sales, or in fact more than sales, we know the kind of after-sales service that these kind of brands requires, and our expertise and core is in that. So we have a dedicated service team who will be looking after the entire after-sales service of the bike.
Sir, is this a strategic partnership, or you are going to have multiple brands?
So we are the dealers for Motorhouse.
Motorhouse.
Yes. So this is exclusive
so
for
you don't
Motorhouse.
promote any multiple brands?
No, in Motorhouse we will not be promoting. So
It's
Motorhouse,
exclusive. I
yes,
can call it as an exclusive.
it is exclusive for Brixton and VLF.
Exclusive.
Thank you.